had the limit order here. You see how it tried to fail here, but then they pulled it up. That's when they started going up, retested it again, and then...
Hello everyone, let me just give me a second.
So this is it. This is the
Hello everyone, let me just give me a second.
So as long as it holds, it came just on the top of it. It might come down to the lows of it. So maybe here, come back. I don't know. But either way, I do think, you know, we're going up. Want to do a knock? Yeah. Just give me like a couple of minutes just to set things up. Or you could, you know, start the stream. We could do the knock. One problem, what's that? Guys, pixel fucked. So far on the hedge, we are doing so good. I mean, on this hedge, how much did we start with? I mean, I could refresh and then it could show us 163, 164.
Yeah, let's do this.
What the balance size
okay.
Is right now. That's when we started hedging and doing this hedge strategy. So 160. We have a 0.1 or 11 Bitcoin position size. It's huge for the balance. There's no way we could open 0.1 on 165 without like having a super
Let's see here what's going on, guys. Today we're gonna open a few trades on 2bit. Just gonna see been dealing with some stuff. So very important stuff that yeah, I'm live. So let us check when XRP price will drop. I'm just getting used to everything. So many tabs I have open. We need to clear half this shit. And we go from here. That would be pretty amazing. You guys can follow my Twitch. If you don't know, I go live. That's something I'm gonna push out. That's something I'm gonna do in the next future days. So very important note. I just need extra 2 minutes to set up everything because it's been a very stressful day. But all is good, all is well. So let's try to say price is higher right now for XRP. It seems like it's dropping a bit here. But this is the important factor. So here, let's go up here. I think it will go higher. All right, maybe it's going for a downward momentum. So we do have a lot to do today, and that is XRP has been on an uptrend lately, kind of trying to push for lower lows. So we're seeing like forming a bottom here. So 1 hour chart, a big whale sold everything that we built up, guys. A whale sold it basically. So that's a big problem. And as you can see, just as I try to open a trade, another big problem is a lot of these whales are selling. Like, it's just red candles after red candles, right? So it really makes me consider what's gonna happen next for XRP, and I should start asking it what the trades we should do. So let me just put this in and ask ChatGPT, will this go higher or lower? Will this go higher or lower on 3-minute time frame? And we should actually use a more recent photo and then wait for 1.5 minutes, hopefully get a higher time frame. If you want to make trades, link in the 2bit in the description below. But yeah, it's been absolutely brutal for XRP. Look, it's trying to climb back up. It's basically like a big drop with a rock. And this is the most important factor, is we are seeing big drops right now for XRP. So look at that. It just can't build even a green candle in the 1 minute time frame. Of course, these are 1 minute time frames, so you know it's not that bad, but it seems like I will not win this position. I should be asking ChatGPT to make my trends. So let me check on that. Here, over here. I can't answer higher or lower or tell you which to press. That's an ultra short-term trading call and I'm not allowed. Well, it's obviously going to be lower after this. I should have made a better price prediction because if you zoom out over here, you see there's plenty to go. Like there's plenty of red candles and it's really hard to push out for another green candle. Like there's nothing is stopping this free fall. Whales on the 1 minute candle are selling below $2. So this is an important factor. So let us check the XRP price chart right now. We're going to futures. I'm going to do light futures. And then we can actually see over here, light perpetuals, XRP. So I'm going to make a price analysis over here. I'm not perfect at price analysis, but we completely lost that mark, basically. So not perfect, not a perfect strategy we have right now. Look, immediately it pumped back up. So if we go on a 1 hour time frame over here, it's a very, very big drop we were getting. And again, it's still following the patterns I told you guys. I deleted this in the past. If we zoom out over here, don't use auto. You can actually see there's a very, very big drop and we're continuing further towards a downtrend. Whale tried to get some pump from $2 to 2.3, but it just did not work, guys. And it's probably not going to work until we see some Bitcoin movement at this point, and this is what's concerning me. So yeah, lots of stuff to consider right now for XRP. I'm definitely really excited because like look at this big drop. Immediately after everything we saw at the weekend absolutely destroyed. It's really sad at this point, right? Because you were expecting some sort of a bullish momentum, but it's nothing like that. So personally, I do think that this is going on a downward momentum on the long term. So we could very well see some further downtrend momentum, especially my cloud is showing that, but we could ask AI for confirmation because I'm not the perfect trader. Let's ask it here. Is it going up or down for XRP? That's a good question. So XRP right now, it's trying to hold above $2. I mean, it's really, really trying. So that's the important factor. It's trying to push higher. It could actually push higher. So that's the thing we have right now is we're really relying with XRP on a higher time, like higher price point, higher time frame. We just need more time to test with XRP at this point. So if I make some charts here, as I told you guys, I'm a bit sleepy today, but 1.9, 1.87 is the price range, while some of like traders are saying we're going for another uptrend. So there's like less spreads, less calls. There's a lot to learn here, basically. But we got to ask ChatGPT on this point. Big dump on the left. The price is stuck under Ichimoku cloud. And again, this is a 15-minute chart. It should be like a 1 hour chart to make it very clear. No clear base or strong reversal pattern yet. Just a small bounce after a drop. I can't predict the next few candles, but structurally, this is a bearish trend. So this is what it's saying. I wanted to do actually a price analysis. So this is a very important factor nobody's talking about. Price analysis are absolutely amazing. Like with ChatGPT, because it actually tells you the structure it's doing. It's going to make everything easier for us. So let us just go over here. It's processing, but it does not look like a super, super bullish run yet. We're still not at 2.5. On this 1 hour chart, the structure is still down, not up. Price had a big drop from 2.15 and is now sitting below the Ichimoku cloud, as we can see over here. Tenka Kijun and the cloud ahead is red, bearish momentum. So lagging line is under price and cloud, confirming bearish trend. You're hovering just above an old support area around 2.2.3. So it's basically taking a break above this support level and then trying to push back higher. So I can't tell you if it will go up or down, but the price right now gets a back above. It's not if it's going up or down. but I'm doing price analysis now. So that's the important factor. Which side, but until price gets back to 2.7, 2.9 and get into climb, the higher time frame bias remains bearish, and any pounce is a counter trend move. So yeah, that's the important factor here. And we're also gonna, do some collaborations in this space. We're gonna do some
you cannot do shit
streams as well.
You are in a long hedge and you locked yourself. That's a double no. Why? Because if I did add here, just like I did here, and
so let me see here where we go from here. Oh, so looking good so far. But it just removing all these key areas that should be confirmed. Very concerning overall. So let us check here. Should be another price analysis. A lot of these whales are in fact trying to push it higher, but everything is trying to push it lower. It's unbelievable. Like this sell we got. Let's check at the order book. Obviously, a lot of sales.
Creator.
Yo, hello.
Yo.
We were just doing price analysis. I'm doing pretty good. Welcome, everyone. Let's start a share chat. Hope you're well. Life is good. Can't complain. Lots of stuff happening right now in the crypto space. Gonna take a few trades. Gonna go from there. Guys, this is
Shout
Milo.
out Planety Creator.
Yo, guys, what's up, Noctis? Welcome, everyone. We're doing we're doing some trades today.
Oh, we did. Okay.
Let me just open it to another tab as well. Yeah. How are you feeling about your trades? How are the trades looking at? Your a Bitcoin USDT average open price 86,000. Oh, so you're actually up like 200 now. You just keep adding margin.
$190, yes. Short, just to keep it short, because the strategy to explain is too long, but just to keep it short,
yeah,
we're gonna lock in just like we are right now. We already locked in $190. We don't have liquidation price. Both positions are fully hedged. And if it do go up or down, we'll see how it goes. We will keep adding more to either the long, DCAing into the long or DCAing into the short, hoping to increase this locked in $190 profit, basically, while maintaining no risk at all, or small risk.
Yo, that's epic.
So that's the strat, basically. And who did I get this strat from, guys? You might ask. Noctis in the building. Who did I take this strat from, guys? I invented it, bitch. I invented it. The GOAT PA. That's who I took this strat from.
Oh man, it looks like a nice strat. Like, if it's working, it's working. I'm still wondering like where it will go from here. But so far, as long as you don't get like a big price movement, it looks fine so far. That's the important factor.
Yeah. I actually think, based on pattern recognition of my own experience, this usually does do this, then it goes down, makes a lower low, but then comes back, climbs back to this. You see where this at, chat?
Yeah.
It's gonna climb here either way, one way or another. Either do this directly, come here, or come back, pop a lower low. That's what I think based on pattern recognition. So they do these moves way too many times back in my trading experience or days. I don't know what to say. And I do remember this pattern. So let's see how they play it out. But first, let's check on our Korean brothers and sisters for some clear indication. Sato shorting, bro. 10 Bitcoin. Look,
10 Bitcoin short. They have tons of money, basically. 2.
Bro, you have not seen
1 million
anything.
short.
This dude just lost 2 million.
Wait,
this dude just lost 2 million Bitcoin? Like 2 weeks ago.
Wow.
What?
So he's down 10 Bitcoin, right?
No, his position size is 10 Bitcoins. He is in profit, $3,000 right now. But this dude is loaded. Not only is he loaded, he's a handsome fella, to be honest. So I do love him. He's like my top
He's like your
crypto
role
streamer,
model?
unfortunately. For degens, sure. For degen gamblers, yes.
I just opened a short in XRP, so let's see what happens. But I'm probably gonna get. Oh, never mind. I forgot to do a stop loss. No stop loss means I'm closing the trade. Well, we saw a big red candle.
I mean, you
drop,
could add a stop loss after you open a position.
Yeah. Well, when it's funny when it could like literally kill you, like it could drop 5%. So better to always take a stop loss first and go from there.
Yeah, definitely.
We got along this. We got along this. This is gonna be amazing. So yeah. So sorry, I was interrupting you here. Tons of stuff happening.
No, you're good. You're good. You're good. So here it is, guys. What the fuck? We got Sato versus Zap. Literally both shorting and longing, same area. But Zap is at 50 Bitcoin long. To be honest, I think Zap will juice on this one.
So someone is like eating ramen tonight.
One of them is eating ramen noodles tonight.
One of them is gonna lose the battle of millions. What did they do like to get this money? Did they just trade up, or how did they get?
Bro, they are giant. They are giants in the crypto community. Like they average like 2K. Like Zap averages 2K, 3K. Sato 6 to 10K plus viewers.
Okay, like if you have 10K plus viewers, then you're probably making a bank. I know there was a streaming like community in Korea, but I didn't know it was that big.
Nah, he's huge. And literally every trader knows him. Literally every single trader knows him almost. And they've been doing this game for like years now. So they've been grinding too much, too hard. They're loaded, bro. They literally, both of them literally lost 2 million each
they don't
2
care.
weeks ago.
They don't care. Yeah, exactly. Is it leveraged 2 million or is it just,
Yeah, leveraged. They literally got liquidated. 2 million. They lost it all.
Oh my.
Queen Jadudu deposited. She's longing with 0.6 Bitcoin here. Oh, she needs to juice, bro. She's so pretty.
Milo, we gotta also keep it family friendly today. I know it's not your cup of tea, but slightly family friendly, like 25% family friendly.
Yeah, sure. I'll try to remember. I mean, to be honest, it just comes out naturally, but I'll try to keep it in check.
The D-Chen mouth. I'm joking, brother.
And Hodu same place, shorting same place as well. So Team Sato Hodu versus Zap Jadudu. I'm on Team Jadudu, to be honest, even though I do want
I'm on
Sato
a team of the
juice.
winners. Wait, it's just going down 14%, 1K. That's crazy.
Yeah.
That's absolutely
what
crazy.
I wanted to look at was Zach, bro. What happened to Zach? Oh, I cannot make this shit up, bro. Cannot make this shit up.
Let's see what happened.
Look at how perfect the fibs is, bro.
Wow.
But it's actually dead.
Well, my position is open.
Is there a way for me? I know there was a way for me to see when did I draw this fib, just to show you guys that, I did not draw it after it happened, okay?
Yeah.
There we go. Zed's struggling over here. Let's have a look at everything.
Uh-oh. I agree. It's definitely an uh-oh.
I agree. What's up, Mados Nelu? How you doing, sir? USDT, if it held this, guys, we are gonna go back to the top, which means Bitcoin actually dead.
Let me check the 1 minute, 5 minute. We got to trade on 5-minute chart here. What's your thoughts today on the price market? Like, is it good? Is it bad? Is it terrible?
Oh, it's juicy. That's my thought about it. Juicy volatility.
Nice, brother.
We also have PMI today. It's in 20 seconds, bro. What the hell? I was asleep and they started throwing FUDs. Fucking pussies for real.
Wait, we have a meeting now? There's a meeting? Like, what?
There's PMI, basically. The data will come out now. It's the Institute for Supply Management.
All right.
Which basically measures the level of the diffusion index based on surveyed purchasing managers in the manufacturing industry. Damn, that's too long. I don't understand shit.
Yeah.
Does PMI really matters? No. It doesn't really matter too much, but literally market makers and every trader just wants any excuse of just a smell of fart of news so that they could get some volatility. So they will try we might see some movement over here once the number
Maybe
released.
some
Oh, there
small
we go.
movement.
It was predicted 4.49, it's 48.2.
What does that
Why
mean?
traders
Quick, ask
care?
ChatGPT.
Yeah, quick. ChatGPT, what the hell? It's leading
ChatGPT.
indicator of economic health. Wait, so economic health. So basically it's lower. So now the economic health is struggling. It's sick.
Something, crypto must go up.
So that's what it is. Something. Crypto must go up now. Let's
Yes,
see
I'm
how it
opening
do.
along. This is a short position. This is definitely a short position. Because it shows red, right? The actual data shows red.
Yeah, but you never know those tricky sons of bit. Oh, sorry. These
Yeah.
lovely, family-friendly channel market makers are, they love to play those mind games. So we never know what they could do.
Yeah.
Sometimes numbers are really, really good. They dump the shit. They dump the market. God, it's too hard to be family-friendly. They dump it too much just to try to, confuse and manipulate and stuff like
Kids are
that.
watching my trades. That's a joke, of course, but like teenagers.
Yeah, I can't
It's
really.
family
I mean,
friendly. How I
if
get
kids
liquidated.
do watch crypto stuff and to learn and things, I think those kids are like geniuses, to be
There
honest.
are geniuses. But they shouldn't watch me because I just went down 6% without. I don't know where my stop loss went, so they shouldn't be watching my trades. But you know
Who are
what they
these
say?
guys?
You double down. When it doesn't work, you double down. It seems like pretty
Discord.
bearish. The market seems bearish today.
Yeah. So I mean, to be honest, if like this is it over here. If it don't come back to gain this and hold it to go, we are gonna we're gonna go lower. What I think they might do over here, maybe start closing some candles, but they don't come to the high. Come back, make a lower low, then try from there. Do some bullshit, and then go. I don't know, but I'm feeling a juicy moon tonight. It should be. Other than that, look, can we take a second to appreciate the god level PA lines over here that we had 10 years ago? Literally pixel fucked it. It's I don't know what to say. Other than crypto is too easy so far.
So easy. Money printing machine, basically.
Yeah.
At this point.
It's too tough. Wait, what's the Mr. Fuds?
Master fund. Did he mean? Oh, master. Not. What is it? MicroStrategy FUD. Because like
MicroStrategy,
there
oh,
was
really?
a FUD. There was like new control. Oh, wait. This is a red
Rejecting?
candle with the reports coming in. I'm done with longing. Wait, let me explain. I'm just gonna open a short here on Tubit. Basically, there was a FUD. If the NAV hits what 1, they will start selling, and it hit like 1.14 now. Like if the price of Bitcoin goes lower, I think that was the point. So if I understand correctly,
Make sure. Oh, I forgot. Oh, my bad. I'm like a
all
noob at
good,
this.
brother. I totally forgot about that. I'm just gonna use this one, and I opened a short, by the way, because like the report we saw was red, so that must mean that prices are going down. With the reports, the new report we just got was red, so obviously the prices will go down anyway. They will not go up. All right, nice. My short is doing well. I'm up 10 cents, Milo. I'm up. Oh, I don't have a stop loss. Where's my stop loss? We don't need a stop loss. We just short it forever. Yeah, because if it's green, it's cool. The issue is if you close it like, it's not green. Look, 5% is great. I'll take 5%. Oh, 7%. I'll take 7% too.
There we go.
That's on top. How much margin are you using for trades?
It depends on how much the balance is, the one that I started. But I don't. The way that I calculate it, or the way that I've been told to calculate it, is, you try to. 1 second, because
Margin
I
are you
have
using
it
for
written down. I don't
trades?
want to mess it up.
Yeah. Long-term cash out till 2034. Buying went down. I hope 190 today to buy more. Goes down every ETF opening, then goes back up. Yep, that's a big issue right now. I thought someone said, I think someone meant 2.34, but he said, I thought he meant like he's gonna buy until year 2034. That would be pretty funny. Like if you wait just like 10 years before you buy, that would be amazing.
Okay, the position size, how much do I enter? I actually have this website linked to me by CT, which is also in the Discord, Discord.
CT is the man, but position size calculator. Lots of learning I
The
need to be doing.
legend.
That's why
First,
I should go
define
back
how
to
much you want to
school.
risk, then the RR. Then from there, you can calculate the margin and leverage position size. Exactly. So this is technically, if you don't know, if you are like new or noob like me, this is really good content. What's up, Smiley? What's up?
Yo,
So if
welcome.
you're a noob like me, and you suck at math, so you could use this website. Otherwise, it's literally exactly like how Noctis said it. First, you look at how much you want to risk. Or wait, let me just not butcher it. How much you want to risk, right? Like if I start with $200 position or margin, then my stop loss should be 1%. So
Oh,
if I want to take a long here, I should have a stop loss that only has 1%, right? Of $200. So I enter the position, or before I enter the position, I should have it calculated, and then I should have my plan. Like, okay, come back, retest the high, for example, should make it at least 3-1, which is the best. If not, then 4-1. So we try to then manage the stop loss based on being 3-1 or 4-1. Let's do 4-1. There we go. This is a 4-1. Now, what do? We come to this website, this lovely website. We write down the account balance. If in this example it's $200 it is. And then we come to the risk. How much percent do I want to risk per trade? 1% is the best optimal, guys. I promise you. You might at the beginning start to trade and set a stop loss at 1%. Slept with my window open, neck is so much in pain, bro. I feel you. Friday I was also had a really bad neck pain. It's like the one of the worst because you cannot turn left or right so fast. It hurts.
I have a neck
So
pain
we do
when I see these drops.
or when I blow someone up, also get neck pain. So basically, you set here your entry, which is 85,800. If we did want to enter here, 85,800. Set the stop loss. This is our 4-1 stop loss because it's based on where we want to TP, and it has to be realistic TP. I'm not gonna set it to the moon and be like, yo, 4-1 is here, is down, right? That's not how it works. You have to set something realistic. So this is the stop loss, 85,552. 85,552. And there you go. It gives me how much I could open as a position size, which is 0.008 Bitcoins. To have this position on a $200 balance, risking 1% of the balance. So this is what my position size should be. And again, this website, shout out CT for linking it, but it's in the Discord. You come here, Learning Hub, Tools. There it is. Position size calculator. Do I wanna? Let me just delete this RR so that people understand. Like they don't confuse themselves more. And then do this RR. Then from there you can calculate the margin and level for position size. There we go. Just so that people understand, or it makes it easier. Don't you think that 1% of 200 is too much? I mean, it is too much, but if you like, usually that's what the optimal stop loss should be like in everything. Yeah. Shout out
I
Smiley
do a
for
stop
linking the
loss of
website as well.
5%.
Yeah, shout out Smiley for linking it. I mean, you could do whatever you want stop loss. It's just based on or risk. It's just based on how much money you got, how much, what's your goal, what's your plan, and these type of things. Obviously, I could enter a trade and I could risk 100%, literally, either get the TP, or liquidate. But is it optimal? Will it give the best outcome? Usually, on average, if you keep doing this over and over and over, then no. The answer should be no. Good clip. W Smiley. Guys, clip me. We need to make more OG videos like this one. I need more clips.
Well, my short on XRP is pretty good, but for some reason my stop losses are just not working. But if I'm shorting XRP, I'm making some decent money today, like 5%. You know.
Need more clips, guys, so that I could add more videos like this.
You couldn't make like your own clips? But yeah, I get it.
More clips, guys.
More short. XRP is getting short. I'm opening my short position. For some reason, my stop loss isn't working at all. I love how you can become rich with $3. If you just do 100x leverage.
Guys, I need more clips to do those things. And my bad, Ryoshi. I was playing a video, so I didn't want to talk over it.
Oh, my bad, bro.
Yeah, I could clip myself. I could obviously clip myself, but I mean, I would have to, after I do something, I have to stop and try to edit the clip and then send it and save it. So it would be too much work, and
Yeah, that's true as well.
So good. Yeah, exactly. Guys, the videos are so good, I swear. So this is why go ahead and watch them on YouTube. Give your boy a sub as well.
For some reason, my stop losses aren't working, so I will fix that. Oh, that's terrible. Absolutely terrible.
Wait, what was your? Let me check your YouTube. And also, while we're showing the YouTubes, is this your YouTube, the one that you have in your links? Ryoshi. Okay, this is Land T Creator, Lance T Central Trader's YouTube.
That's my channel.
I linked it in the chat.
Thank you, guys. Appreciate the follow. I'm streaming daily as well, so yeah, I want to stream with you basically and learn trading and not get liquidated here. Flash closing this.
Just press record every time you explain. Yeah, but I meant like clips in general. What the hell? He's trying to long, huh? Oh. We all know that chair streamer trader is the best trader in the world. Every time someone, opens a trade and then leaves the chair on the stream, they always somehow end up juicing. It's like a proven theory. CK, my boy, what happened?
What's going on in this stream?
Damn. What does Lou have? McDonald's today? God damn it. Meanwhile, the cocked Ethereum is popping. Pooping? McDonald's today. What does she have open?
Ugh. I should get a cat hat like that. I just need to get like a good stop. I just need to get a good long on this, like just one good trade.
Okay, interesting.
If I just get a one good shorting XRP, maybe I could afford a hat like that. It's over.
Usually it's the opposite, right? Like once you lose money, then you go work there. But here, even we cannot even afford the hat, bro. We need to make some money first.
Well, someone told me I should go work to McDonald's. I would get better paid and learn skills. Oh, I just made 7%, so joke's on him. Oh, I just made 18%. My stop loss isn't working, so I'll take 15% profit.
W.
W in the
To
chat,
all
boys.
doubters saying that you should work at McDonald's. Does they get 15% per trade?
Yeah, exactly. Like, I know I would get paid if I worked in McDonald's, but I can get paid trading without stop loss.
Yeah, even though it's not advised, at least by me, not to use to not use stop loss. Guys, we also have some interesting announcement today, but I still have to, I still have to set it up first, so I don't want to talk about it now. But there are a couple of exciting stuff, real exciting stuff, bro. Real exciting stuff. Something's coming soon, and it's not me. Something's coming, bro. Again, more things coming soon as well. Guys, we have too much things going on. It's I'm super excited, to be honest. But I should set them up first, and we'll take
Yeah.
it step by step so we don't, rush things up, mess things up, and all of the above. So
McDonald's
that's how
workers
it is.
cannot open short trades for XRP. Short it. Oh, like this.
Like I was saying, bro. I had the first limit order that I added on the long was here, just under this first wick. I was trying to front run anything from this wick. Second one was here. Literally, you see this red candle at the top of it. This is literally where I put my second limit order to go fully hedged. But as I told you, I was starting things up, getting prepared to, start the stream.
Yeah.
And I saw the quick here and it started exploding up. And I had things to do, so I couldn't just focus on what's going on. So I just, market smashed along the full hedge here. Literally here. That's where our market smashed the full long. And this is why it's like fully hedged now. And we locked in 190 so far. So that's what's happening.
Right now.
So what I was trying to say is it still has some room here while still being bulla bulla.
It's a pretty bearish market.
Let me keep it on the 15. Okay, there it is. Guys, I'm super hungry. I'm starving. I'm hungry. So let me just go fix some sandwich for me to eat.
I'll be active. Don't worry. I'm doing trades here.
Yeah, while I'll leave you guys with Lanty. Let me make his picture.
I'm waiting here for better trades, better positions. And then going from there. Oh, just got liquidated. Or I mean, stop loss. Good. Stop loss, not liquidated.
Okay, let me burp.
All right. Let's see here. This looks nice. I'm still kind of bearish on XRP right now, at least on the short term. That's what I'm doing right now. I'm enjoying my small trades. Guys didn't know I'm actually shorting XRP with stop losses of minus 5%. All right. This is good. Still looking what the best strategy would be here. Okay. Maybe that report helped, or it's just a bearish market. So yeah, 2% up and down and up and down. It's just going sideways at this point. Really can't decide on a price. Prices have been absolutely disgusting anyway. Oh. Almost get closed out. How many years experience do you have with trading? Like 1 year, 1.5, but I'm very, very terrible at it. So I think Milo is much better than me. So I may be like a trader for like full time 1 week now. So that means I'm learning every single day. So I'm not the best trader. I'm just here enjoying the chaos. But we do have some pretty good trades. This one we're going to open down with 10%. Sometimes it works in my favor. So we're just doing a challenge right now from like $50 to where we can go from there. I am definitely a different trader than Milo though. So my main strategy is just basically doing more on scalping. Like scalping's good. God damn, man. This is this market is pretty, it's like it's either going like forming some green candles, but it can't decide where to go. Let's go up here. Guys, remember, always stop loss. Stop loss is the key. Let's take a look at this chart. Yeah, still seems like it's going downtrends if you know when to short it. It's just like you can catch a falling knife suddenly. You lose all the gains. All right, 5%. I'll take that. Maybe like it's going to be a further downtrend for XRP. Could be also for Bitcoin, same patterns. The reason why I do XRP is I'm like comfortable with it. All right, just wait a bit here. Take profit, 10%. Take profit. Check my order history. Oh, that's a good profit actually. 50 cents. I'll take that. That's like a few years ago that would be a full-on burger. Because I'm more bearish, I can open another position. 5% stop loss. Short. All right. It still seems like a downtrend actually. I think the data might have helped, but who knows. Could be just a market like that, basically. The market being pretty bad. All right. Seems like it went pretty well. We closed it for a total of 10%. So yeah, just forming a bearish momentum. Basically, the price going down. It's gonna go down a bit further. Maybe stop at 2.10. At least that's my thing. That's what I think. Ooh, that's a big red candle drop. I feel like we're just gonna have to wait and see where it longs here. But yeah, the markets are absolutely brutal. Terrible. Absolutely terrible. A reddish day. Come on, break it down a bit. Yep, that's what I'm talking about. Guys, I just don't know. I think I'm the king of bear markets here, because if the markets are bad, that's the good part. But if the markets are good, well, we could have closed out at a profit, but spiked up. That's when we should do a stop loss at 10%. Just like all the green candles are going back to it. Come on, just one more red candle and we're good to go. It would be nice to see a bigger drop. But doesn't seem like it. Seems like it's trying to rebuild the momentum on the 1 minute or not. I'm going to close it at a 5%. 5% is good enough. Let's see what Milo is doing. Is Milo in profit? Yeah, he is. All right, pushing up. The green candle is trying to push up. Doesn't look like it. It's trying to go further ahead. To be honest, XRP is kind of strong. It definitely is. That's why I like trading on it. It's actually looking pretty well. I'm not talking much as well because there's just feeling a bit tired. Yeah. Let's close with a good trade. $376 position is absolutely perfect. Here. Seems like the markets are just falling naturally, like they're just falling down as much as they can. We might even go, I think the bottom is going to be here for XRP at exactly this price point, like $2. Could go slightly further down, but not much more. So I'm just going to flash close this position for a profit. And that's it. We're in a profit today. We have some bonuses we could use. I'm going to long it from here. So that's the stupid bonus that I don't have to use, but I still will. Smaller position. Just let it close. Could go even a few cents below than that, 1.87. And now we wait. Now we wait for a new price point. Yo, welcome back.
I'm back.
Back. I carry the stream. No worries. You're welcome.
WW. Okay, yeah, as we were saying, it had room, but we wanted to secure it, and it did pop so quick. I wasn't literally focused, guys. Peanut butter and what's it called? Jam, strawberry jam. Say, oh, first bite for you guys.
Nice. Just so sideways right now.
Nah, 2 times in a row, it's gonna just hit the line and go.
Gosh.
Free fall.
Where's my short? Where's my short? I said I'm gonna short it a lot. 125x leverage short. And also this. I love me some free money. Look,
it's still
yeah.
there. It's scary to short here.
It's never
bottom,
scary
but,
to short.
W shorter gang, eh?
What the heck? Okay. That was absolutely insane.
You can't make this shit up, bro. You can't make this shit up.
Yeah. I got wrecked. It's over, bro. I'm going to apply for McDonald's now.
Well, at least you got Lou there now.
Yeah.
Most people would literally go work there for free now.
I wonder what would happen if I did trading there. I'd probably get fired.
Well,
hey sir, let me serve you some. I'm gonna put fries in the bag, but can I please just?
Oh wait, let me set the stop loss in TP first.
Yeah. Glad thing people don't like. Smiley doesn't see me because my stop loss wasn't working for some reason.
Oh, Smiley is always seeing.
He knows everything.
He got eyes everywhere. Guys, so technically this is where my second limit order for the long would have been. But because I already added here, you cannot add here anymore. Otherwise, we'll ruin it.
Look what I'm telling you, Milo. It's just a free fall for XRP right now, and I'm guessing for Bitcoin. It's a free money. I'm going to make it more than McDonald's. With 100x leverage, with $5, I'm going to be like a millionaire. And the exchange is going to pay for it.
That's the best part.
The exchanges will pay for my gains with the free fall. All right, I'm not going to enter in on here. I'm going to actually wait for the falling knife. You don't want to catch the falling knife, you know what I mean?
It's meat and cheese. Ugh. I actually want to look at Zek now. Because it was dying.
I'm stopped eating until XRP is $5. I will not eat. Lose like so much weight.
Stopped first line, now second line. Bro, I cannot be any better at this.
I think no. Let me see here. Stop loss. Take profit at 5%. Take loss at 5%.
I want to keep an eye on this. IRYS sauce USDT. It's looking really juicy if we catch something here.
What's
Unless it does just,
IRS USDT.
IRY sauce DT.
What's that?
It's a new coin that popped on, but apparently it's like old. But on it just got listed on a couple of exchanges like Binance and stuff.
Saw it really
and
pumping
it did
and went
pop
down.
too hard.
It
So I
says
want to maybe
here,
catch
3
here a
trillion in
retest.
data undiscovered until now. And then there's like other data networks only store data. IRS does too for the faster, cheaper, and with a native execution layer. Okay, so it's basically like a data storage coin. Okay, but can we make money from it? That's the main question.
Yeah, for sure. As long as the markets stop dumping, what the hell? BNB already gonna make a lower low?
Yeah.
Doge already did. Solana too. My God.
I need to check
XRP,
my
of course, it
price
just doesn't
patterns,
dump this coin.
Even I'm shorting it, and I'm an XRP YouTuber. Everyone's shorting this coin right now. Yeah, but you gotta play with the market. If it's money, it's money. What can you do?
Who didn't take the PA God signal? Big short world, bro.
Okay, I think this is
Might
it.
have stopped out here, but
All right, never mind. This is not it.
guys, we're gonna be trading today on a new exchange, by the way. We'll hold this hedge over here, and we'll be trading on the other exchange. And then every time we see that we could add to the long or short at price ranges where we are interested in, then we would come here, add to it, and then go back. Noctis is asking a question, Yoshi.
All right, that was terrible. Lan, YouTube, what's your strategy? Right now, my strategy is to just short XRP on the scalps. That's the main strategy right now.
Just short everything.
Short it, and I'm waiting for the bottom, but I just caught a terrible, terrible plan. This was absolutely bonkers. So I tried to short it, but I think I went down like 13%, so 60 cents. But we'll make it back, boys.
That's for sure.
We're just trying to see where the bottom is forming. So I'm not taking any trades now. I'm going to take profit, stop loss, all of that. How do you know that is your entry? I ask my crystal ball, basically. No, but when I see some... jokes aside, when I see some crystal ball, I asked ChatGPT. You could actually do trades with... there was no support and resistance there. It just felt right. So that was absolutely terrible.
Risen.
Yeah. Nah, but seriously, I think we're going for a downtrend. I shouldn't have opened that long there. That was absolutely ridiculous. We just gotta wait here what's forming. And if you aren't sure, Milo, you can always ask ChatGPT, because like if AI can trade, it could probably trade better than anyone else. So you go into ChatGPT and say, bearish or bullish. It works for event contracts, at least somehow. So that's one part. You can go pretty big. Only haters will say it's fake. Yeah, looks like... how are your liquidity positions looking at? Do you have like open? You're still in the green? Still, it's all safe? Because we're entering your free fall, no? Like the yellow lines.
Yeah. This shit over here, if it ain't holding, it's bad.
See, ChatGPT said, short answer on this 1 minute chart, it's bearish. Why strong impulse drop from above 2.1 to under 2.0? See, it's probably right. We should open a short position.
Well, if AI says so, who can argue?
Exactly. Who do you think trades better? Me against AI. So obviously me. I mean AI. AI.
Okay, well, give me a second, guys. I'm trying to set this new exchange up.
Well, AI just lost me 7%, and my stop losses don't work for some reason. So there's that. But if
Not
I
every
listen
trade
to it,
is a
yeah,
W, but
not every trade is a W. I need to check if I'm still doing good. And this close the order book, close trades, they're all distraction. Also, Ichimoku Cloud, that's a pretty good technical indicator, actually. If we joke aside, like Ichimoku Cloud is slightly bearish now. So that's why I'm opening a short and making all my money back. If Ichimoku Cloud is
God
bearish, it
damn.
works. Probably not on 1 minute indicators, but hey, it's probably meant for 1 minute, but it can work for like, 1 minute charts, 5 minute charts, etc., etc. Milo, would you say 10% stop loss is too bad? Like, should it be like 5?
I mean, when I first started trading, I did have like this 10% stop losses. But let's be real. Trading this way with 1% stop loss is the way, to be honest. That's what I would say.
Really? Okay.
10% is like huge.
But what should like
Yeah,
your margin size be then?
It depends on the balance size. And
Yeah.
like based on the balance size, you calculate like your RR, and then you set where your stop loss should be. Like use either 3-1 or 4-1, and then you would calculate that based your position size based on how much your stop loss is, just like here in the Discord. Here in the Discord, like Noctis says, first define how much you are willing to risk, which is 1% is what we want. So we look at 1% of our balance size, and then we calculate then we put the RR, like the 4-1 or 3-1. And that's how we could know how much we could enter with. And if you don't want to calculate like, write your entry, write your stop loss, and then keep trying out numbers until you get this 1% stop loss, then one way you could do it is, let me show you guys. When you click on the stop loss, okay, like here,
it's going a further downtrend basically.
Yeah, when you click on your stop loss, TP stop loss here, you see how here it says P&L? 1% of $200 is $2. So you put your stop loss, $2. Where's your entry? For example, here. How much you want to enter with.
Yeah.
And then your stop loss. And it will tell you here where's your stop loss. Then before you click on long or short, you should check, is it same as your RR? If it's not and it doesn't look like a good entry to take, then don't. Just literally don't take it. If it's looking good, go ahead. There's also this tool, this website. Also same, you set up your account balance, how much you start with. Let's say 1K. How much you want to risk, percentage-wise or PN or dollar-wise. Usually I'd say use 1%. So you set 1%, then here you put your entry, your stop loss. It will already calculate for you your position size.
Okay.
There it is, 0.04 Bitcoin.
That's awesome. I gotta test this out as well.
Your stop loss here. Yeah. To get this website, guys, Discord.
I'll check it out. Yeah, XRP and Bitcoin. A lot of drop below 2. Drop below $2. Unbelievable.
You come to the Learning Hub Tool Hub. Boom. Shout out CT for linking it. This is the website that I use. position size calculator. So good. Also, we have too many good stuff. Too much tools. This is what I use for once I want to do the challenge accounts, or if I'm just trading normally. There's too many tools to help you prepare and plan. Shout out
Yeah.
CT for linking all of them as well.
That's
And
awesome.
Smiley.
There's so many tools in your Discord. That's what I like to see for degens like me.
There you go.
Going on
There
a
you go,
further
guys. See?
downtrend.
I'm not only
But
trying to bait you to join the Discord. It's actually juicy there.
my stop loss didn't work and I lost like $1. I lost 13% or 20% once I closed it. So that's $1 that I could have spent on a $1 burger if those still exist.
I mean, you guys might say, oh, $1 is too close, so you directly enter and you get hit most of the time. This is why you should try to wait for good areas to short, not just, you see it down, you short. You have to wait for levels.
That's
Oh,
what I'm
rejected
doing.
here, take the entry here, take the short, for example. Stop loss here, TP at the lower, and boom, you fix your RR, you calculate your position size, and there you have it. That's how you'd get stopped out less, basically. And that's how you want to juice. And if
when
you
you're
were wrong,
streaming,
you're
that's the
only
issue.
losing $1, 1%. Sorry, what did you say?
I mean, when you're streaming, you want to take more trades, right? That's the issue. Like,
yeah, but I mean, I'm not gonna be risking. Like, don't be risking stuff just because you like your money, just
exactly.
so that you take a trade.
I agree. I still think we're going a
But
bit
yeah, I
bearish.
do understand. To keep things interesting, you gotta be taking trades, not just yapping the whole time like I am. Fucking hell.
You just have a trade open and then you keep the stream open, right? Like you have one big trade and then you can do just other stuff while waiting for the trade for like 3 days. And then take a new position, take the money, and then take a new one.
Yeah. Okay, let me set this up so that we could start.
All right, this is where I think it's very hard to do, like, you compare it to Bitcoin prices on psychological level because it just compares to Bitcoin. I mean, XRP prices is what I mean. But it's forming some support level here, like a tiny little camp. No?
Wait, sorry, what were you saying? If you're
No, nothing. I'm talking
I
with
was,
myself. It's just building a strong support level for XRP, like just small, tiny green candles. It's like a tiny house here. I call it the house technical analysis. Yep, this is where it went home.
Okay, just one last thing and then I'm ready, guys. I set everything up, just one last thing.
What's the one last thing?
I'm gonna set the command for it so that, I'm ready. Okay, there we go. This is the new exchange that we're gonna be trading on. XT, or just... Yeah, XT, guys.
What trading strategy will you do?
Same, everything. We'll try to enter positions using 1% risk and 4-to-1 RRs.
Yeah. Amazing.
What else do we want to have?
Okay. Oh, it's looking well. Oh, I like this green. I think my McDonald's application, I will, like, withdraw it. Not looking so bad. Looking good so far.
Okay, let's just keep an eye on it here for now.
Are you gonna be scalping?
Yeah, I'm not gonna be swinging. We'll be scalping the 4-1, and then we'll, like, the rest, the 20% left, or 30 to 20% left of the position after we take the 4-1 or 3-1 TPs. Then we'll aim for a swing trade, a home run, and maybe even add to it. We'll see how it goes. Let me just see if it works. XT, there you go.
Bravo, it works. I'm just waiting here for where this, like, if it's gonna form some resistance, what's gonna happen. This would be a pretty big, that's pretty big green candle it's trying to push, but it could be just like, you know.
I do wanna catch this juicy short, guys. Long, sorry.
I don't know if it's gonna stay. It could, like, you know, be rejected. That's what I'm thinking
Yeah,
for.
definitely. But
I still want to catch it as well. Oh, we can just wait until the candle stops and go from there as well. Where it's gonna go.
yeah. I'm trying to wait to see some holding, some gaining, some stuff, and then we could enter. Take, a safer trade. Don't have to catch a falling knife, bro. I mean, look at it's scary. It's pretty scary. Let's put it at the 4. Inverted.
If you're a good trader, yeah.
Would you wanna short this? Would you wanna short this invertedly, which means that you're gonna long it? Hell no, I wouldn't short it here.
As a degen, I would.
If you try to degen, yeah, you could.
I have a XRP long position open here on this green candle, but I opened it, so far before I'm only 1% up. I'm trying to make back my $1 that was mine, taken away from me. See, smaller green candles. Now it's starting to form its first red, or rejected anyway. The green candles are getting smaller and smaller. That's it's scary. It's definitely a scary trade.
Okay, guys. So for XT, they're doing this event. I'm not good in math, but is this 12 to 1? Yeah, 20 days. 20 days to complete this event, basically. There's me.
Wow, that's pretty awesome. You could get like a Rolex.
You could get real cool stuff, bro. AirPods, Switch, iPhone 17, MacBook, Vision Pro.
They don't want my volume because my volume is like. Let me check.
And the ultimate prize, a Rolex. Now let's start from the beginning. Oh, a disclaimer I should add. First is that you see the number, the equivalent amount of how much for these items are there because the items, if you want to get the items, they said that it takes a little bit of time. So I don't know how much. I could ask them if anyone's interested, but they said it takes a while to get them, to receive those physical gifts. So what they did is add the equivalent number to them, USDT wise. So if someone doesn't want, like for example, they traded 1 million futures trading volume, and they don't want this AirPod, or don't want to wait, they could just claim the 123, the equivalent to it, basically. And if you trade $5,300,000 or a Switch, 20 million future trading volume, iPhone 17, bro, or $1,500, 30 million futures, $2,500, or a MacBook, 50 million. God damn, 50 million is too much. I mean, all of them are too much, kind of.
I want my
But
MacBook.
50 million futures trading volume, you get a Vision Pro, bro. 3,500. You want the MacBook, bro? All you got to do is futures trading volume 30 million in 20 days before the event ends. And the Rolex, the thing that almost every man wants to have on their hand. 9,400 USDT if you do 100 million futures trading volume. Now, I am a restart, so obviously I would fuck up a little bit stuff over here. But there are rules, so make sure you read the rules, bro, okay? The event is only open when you registered under my link using the link. And physical rewards will default to USDT. So you see, it will default to USDT via airdrops if you don't want the physical stuff, and you should contact them to tell them, so they will default to the US equivalent, the money equivalent to it.
I think they would
instead
send it.
of the physical stuff.
Maybe with
Yeah,
a
I mean,
delay
yeah,
based on country.
they I mean, I don't know. I don't know. I never tried it.
I mean, if
But
you
they
do
did
like
say that they will send it. It just
yeah,
takes some time. So if someone doesn't want to wait or anything, they could have the USDT equivalent to it. And
it's an
all
exchange.
rewards after 7 days of the event ending, you guys will be getting the rewards based on how much volume you did. And all the other, I'm not gonna read all of those. Just make sure that you read the rules, okay, bro? Don't come telling me didn't get it, didn't do shit, okay? It's not my fault. It's my first time trying this exchange. It is top 20 ranked. So this is why I'm saying it could be good, but it's my first time trying it, so I don't know. I cannot promise you anything. But this is it. And for this picture, if anyone,
Yeah, so we gotta just check over here quickly what's going on with this trade. Just go here. Seems like it's forming a smaller momentum on the side. So scary, a bit scary because it could go for a further downtrend. Like it basically rejected the. Well, not really. This candle, red candle, isn't that bad. Maybe like a bullish momentum a bit. So I'm gonna open a long with a position.
giveaways with some of the money, the juice that we make on here, basically.
I can't wait for a Rolex giveaway. That would be amazing.
Yeah, we need to get into a big position, big juice to give to be giving a Rolex giveaway. But I have good news for you. If you want a Rolex and you don't want to wait for me to juice up so hard so that I could do Rolex giveaway, this XT exchange is doing a Rolex giveaway, bro. If you
I mean, they're not doing
only
a
rule
giveaway,
that you have to do
but yeah,
is just do futures trading volume of $100 million.
$100 million. If you do like a lot of leverage, it's possible.
But don't be a dumbass, okay, guys? Don't be one of those dumbasses that put their money, go super leverage, try to risk just to collect volume, to collect those stuff, okay? Don't be a dumbass. The rewards are good, but they're not worth you losing money at all.
They're not worth the super stress, especially if you're doing 100 million volume.
Yeah, exactly. Don't be a dumbass and risk your money just trying to get those results. It's not that worth it. Okay, let's set those stuff up here. I don't like it gray, but I don't like it too dark. Maybe we do gradient. So, what else? What else? Okay, done. Let's make this bigger. Mandom, how do I make this bigger? Okay, there we go. How will I be doing a picture, like showing this on stream all the time? Because I was thinking, now we have another problem. Because I have to show this
Maybe I'll like copy
and that
trade your
one.
positions as well. See where you go from there.
Copy trade
Nice.
the position.
I mean, like if you open a long, I'll also open a long at this point.
Oh. Yeah, I mean, it's not a bad idea to copy trade the PA God, you know?
Yeah.
But I don't recommend it. Do not copy trade
I'll
me.
get wiped.
Shouldn't there be an edit? Like we could make those things bigger or smaller? What the fuck? The chart is too small, no?
Yeah. Oh, God. This is not good.
Wait, let me put it on the other monitor. Is it just because of the monitor? No.
So let us open a position here. I'm going to do event contracts. So seems like end contracts are slightly. It's hard to call this one. These event contracts are absolutely disaster today. For 30 days, I'm still in profit, but look at these event contracts. You can't decide where the prices of XRP will be. So not good. Ooh, a further short downtrend. It does seem like there's a further downtrend. I mean, like it's trying to push above, but just seems like a huge drop anyway. It's not looking good for XRP here. It might go push even lower. Like, cause look at this green candle, right? But then when we see this, every time it tries to go a new zone, it just basically drops again. So yeah, very scary moment anyway. Like we are not in the ranges we should be doing for XRP. Like we're not close to $3 with these price ranges anytime soon. So just let that sink in. Hoping for a bit more. But like a friendlier support level. I mean, it's not too scary here, but it's just like so much shorting going on right now. I think a short would be necessary here. At least a small one in terms of event contracts. We're just going to wait for this candle. Maybe ask ChatGPT as well. Like what he thinks. Bearish or bullish. Let's see here. It's absolute meltdown today, guys. Absolute meltdown. So this is the issue we have here is this very short-term structure is strong impulse up, the tall green candles. Now a series of red. Last few candles bearish pullback, and in 1 minute is just noise. It can flip fast. Overall move bullish spike. No, I think it's actually more bearish type. It's hard to say. It's just gonna go further sideways, but you never know on 3-minute time charts. That's why I keep up to futures. Like perpetuals, light contracts, XRP, that's what I stick to. Because it's a lot easier to predict the market that way than just going up and down and left and right. What's happening here?
What's happening is Sato was profiting with only 10 Bitcoin short, so he sees himself profit, he added to it.
Wait, he's up what, 30,000 Korean won? How much is that?
Let me check. ZAP is down 71k, bro. 50 Bitcoin long. Liquidation 76. That's 20k USDT. Let's hope, Sato gets some juice, guys. He has been on a losing streak this week. After losing that 2 million, he has been on a fucking bad, terrible losing streak.
It's just $2. $2 million.
That's toilet paper for him.
Yeah.
Love Jadudu. Hodu also juicing. So it's basically Team Sato and Hodu versus Team Zap and Jadudu.
Yep.
He looks so funny, Hodu. I love him. Okay. Maybe we could do some giveaway, guys, if we do juice up on this market. And by the way, to be eligible for the giveaway, you do have to have signed up using my ref link to this exchange, XT.
Yosef
So there you
P4
go.
purple. I couldn't spell that correctly. What's up? Button above depth for larger
It's Paper
graph.
Bell, Paper Bell.
Oh, Paper Bell. My bad, bro. You can see I'm a bit tired. What's up, Paper Bell?
Guys, what the fuck? There should be a way for me to make the chart bigger. It's annoying.
Yeah, my charts are also very small. Maybe it's better to see like that I'm going down very much so.
Okay.
It's rejecting the green patterns here. It's rejecting
Button
everything.
above depth. Yeah, I mean, I could make it bigger this way, but I cannot enter or do anything this way. I want it bigger here. Usually, like when you hover over it here, it gives you like an option to like drag, or at the top here. This is kind of weird. And I cannot favorite. It's good. Let down, bro.
Market's going down, bro. Over for the market. I think now a further downtrend is possible. Or who knows? What am I saying?
Yeah, we could definitely. Let me just give me a second. Okay, let's copy these. Same.
All right, we're going further down. Let's enter the free fall. On one hand, you don't want to join the falling knife, but on the other hand, I would be in profit right now if I joined it. I think it's gonna destroy all the gains it made, most of them, like from 198. It already did.
This is why you should,
Long.
keep an eye on your.
Yeah. No, I mean like the shorts right now. It seems like it's slightly bearish. Like at least that's what the Ichimoku cloud is showing. But you never can trust it on a 1 minute time frame.
You could actually. I mean, I am a one minute time frame trader, guys. I don't know if you know. They do work out as well. It's just they could unwork out at the same time. That's super fast, so it's not really reliable. But if you're a gold PA like me, then you could. It does work out. The 1 minute time frame. Even the 1 second does work out, to be honest.
It's all fun and games until you get like liquidated. Joke aside, yeah. That's what happens to me. I have the McDonald's visor. Whoa. Red event visor. Smiley, someone like should buy you this. And then you could stream with the... Someone should like buy you. If I get enough in trades, I'll buy you the McDonald's visor.
Okay, now how do I favorite this? Set it as template.
Oh, it's only $4. Boys, it's over.
Oh, here. Did it work? Oh, there we go.
Yeah.
Fixed. Found the McDonald's visor. Merch for Milo. Can be Milo visor too. Should we make a merch?
Yeah, but it
I
has to
have
be in
really
terms of
good taste in
McDonald's.
music and clothes, by the way, in fashion. Born to be a fashion artist, forced to be a trader. That's what I would say about my life. I have really good fashion sense.
That's why you always wear those glasses, the fake ones.
Yeah, they're not fake, they're real.
Ah,
Look at my, what's it called? Wait, let me show you guys. Look at my fashion sense ever since I was like 2 years old. Desktop. Where did I put it?
yeah.
Okay, here. Guys, look at my fashion sense ever since I was a kid. Look at the jacket, so cool with the shorts and boots on the sofa like I don't give a fuck. Look at this. So with the okay, now that I'm looking that I'm wearing a yellow shirt with the fucking navy blue jacket, which doesn't make sense, and red shorts. Okay, interesting. Purple socks, and I would have been a rainbow. Yeah, but I mean, let's be real. A 2-year-old kid, with this fashion sense, you gotta admit, right? I was cool. Yo, hey Jens, how you doing, sir? What's up? What's up? How you doing, sir?
Check.
Guys, by the way, if you don't know, if you don't know, Hayens got 11 kids. 11 kids. Big ass family. And over here. Oh, that reminds me, bro. We should do part 2. Show us Lou DM. No. It's a surprise, guys. It's a surprise. Cannot show you. That today only got 4 hours sleep and my head hurts. God damn it. What's wrong with all my Swedish peeps over here?
Yeah. Let's check our trading bot. I think it was. I think we had it open or we actually closed it. It could be that we closed it. I think we actually closed this trading bot. It didn't do any sales anyway during these times, so not like we missed out on too much. We could long it, but I don't know. Is it the right time to open a trading bot? I think it probably is, right? To open another trading bot would be definitely amazing. We've been kind of waiting. So the thing is, what if XRP dips further? Like, we're waiting for a push upwards, and these trading bots are all for long. $67, man, that's expensive for a trading bot. What if we use we could just use less leverage. No, actually, we could use more leverage for it. So if we use more leverage, we can actually open it. So let's use a 15x leverage for this trading bot, which means it can get more liquidated, but then we can build it with just $35. If XRP goes to 1.6, this gets liquidated. I guess that's fine, right? Maybe like 13. So we do 36. So we're going to open this trading bot and let it just do its own thing because I'm done with trading. And let it just go to the moon, basically. 37 with 13x leverage at 1.58, it's gonna get liquidated. So let that sink in. I think it's a pretty fair strategy right now that we open a trading bot and, you know, with a highest price of 2.4, lowest price of 1.92. It's gonna buy in these ranges, and let's see if it makes us money if the market goes up. The issue is just as we open it, it's going down. And is there any trading bots for XRP that actually short? And you can see there's none right now because the prices are moving and there's not even neutral ones that are making money. Like, I would rather have trading bots that are like... I would rather stop a long trading bot because it's much more risky. This one already lost $10 basically. So I would go here on grid. And I would do a 10x leverage with the trading bot. Maybe even just a 7x, 8x leverage. Let's do 8x because we're a bit more adventurous. And we're stopping this one. And we can open this one, right? And you can open a neutral 8x. And we can see here, long price will be 0.0 USDT. Short 2.26. So lowest price 1.92, highest price, I think it's going to go between these ranges at least. But who knows? Condition is trigger now. So is it going to buy? Would be nice if the trading bot got some juicy profits in. But also if the lowest level is $2, the trading bot could make some extra gains here. Exactly here. So I can't decide if XRP goes up. I did say it's going to go downwards on a downtrend. And that's exactly what's happened. It seems like Christmas is over, guys. We're not getting the full bull run we deserve. It's not doing enough trades anyway. So let's just go ahead and open a long trading bot. And surely this must work, right? And give it like a 10x leverage instead. And give it 46, 47 amount per grid. And it should be starting to trigger now, unpaired. And the stop loss will be like if it's $1.5. So yeah, let's check what the trading bot is doing now. It's making us some profit. Small amount. It just means like a trading bot is trading for us basically as soon as the prices go up. Yeah, already made $1. You can also, so how big is the trading bot over here? So if we open this one, on XRP, the liquidation price is 1.44. So I don't think we're going to 1.44 anytime soon. But if they're too lazy to do these trades, close them, then you could just like unpaired profit and loss. You could like just close it and get a trade itself. You could just click stop over here. They obviously do pretty amazing work. The issue is right now we are in a bearish market. That's why it does not work as of yet. So we just invalidated everything we could have. And for some reason, the AI strategy does not recommend shorting bots, which they would be amazing if they worked at right now, but they do not. So this is the important factor here. If you're long and XRP price goes up, these trading bots will definitely make tons of money. So didn't make absolutely no profit because the markets are going down. This is the issue right now with future DCA, with trading bots like that, is just they aren't profitable at all. Yeah. Just made it in like 2 years. But you made some good decision management, no idea this or the market was just very nice again. But you need 400, it's $10 missing. You can do it so much better than the trade before. So yeah, it does seem like the markets here right now are improving. It's just rejecting all the bounces it can. So yeah, these trading bots, they're designed mostly when the prices are up, because when you try the neutral one, so let's try to close this one, you know, and it could actually make long term, it could make pretty much a lot of use. So these are the martingale methods, which are more on short type futures DCA, and DCA, you know, are born to win. And then you have longs and shorts. So if you do like a short well and think XRP is going lower, if I did it correctly, then it should give a pretty strong return in my opinion. The issue is you gotta like trade it for some time, these trading bots. That's the important factor. It's like 70 to 30 days recommended investment cycle. So if you believe it will go up, that's where I really think XRP will win. So first, you got to decide, will the price go up or down in the next 30 days? And that's when you will make the money, right? So you just kind of like wait, let it do trades, check back, get some profit. That's the good thing about the trading bots. So you don't have to actually do the trades. The bad side is you still need to do the price analysis to see if it goes up or down. But personally, I think 1.87, you know, we're pretty good price range right now. So I can open a futures grid and I can do a 10x leverage. I can basically leverage just borrowing some money from exchanges. So we can open it for $40. We can even open it for much less. So if you guys like want to do that, 38. Bam, and we're going to make a strategy to make this bot. And then you want to set up a stop loss over here. If XRP goes to $1.5, that would be absolutely terrible if that happens, because the bot would basically be destroyed. Let's check now details of this. And we have, you know, pretty clear ideas of the trading history that's happening. Here you can see amount per grid, amount per bot, total profit and loss 0.02. I'll check back on this trading bot actually. I'll go back to XRP prices. But it does seem like grid bots right now, they're something else.
The journal already. This is the strategy, by the way. It's detailed. I wrote it to the T of what I did.
That's something.
Look at this. Every single thing I did is explained. Oh, he's back.
I'm back. I was just making I was just giving my opinion on trading bots and everything like that.
Yeah, okay. So everything I did in this strategy, I literally wrote it to the T. What I did today after stream. It's fully detailed on what I want to do, what things I've noticed that are a little bit fucked up, like might mess you up. I wrote as well. I wrote in detail, level 1, what you should do, level 2, level 3. There was not a single AI use to this one, by the way. I know I don't like to type too much, and this is too much yapping, but I swear I wrote it from the heart, from the mind.
I know it will help some people. I'll probably read it later today. Like when I take a break, I'll read it, do some books.
I don't recommend people to use this unless you are so good like me, the PA god, at identifying level where you should add and how much you should add and stuff like that. So make sure you know to not try this. Just read it for knowledge.
Well, I'm still
full
doing
examples
the basics
and explanations and everything. Yeah, so this is the strat here in the Milo hedging strategy. It has everything I did and I'm gonna do also. Finally, you're not lazy, proud, gold jerk. And also, there is this journal.
Yeah.
There is this journal here. We even got this dude as emote. There is this journal where I did my $200 to $400 challenge 7-10 times and I failed them all. And they have all the preparations and everything. Here we have a lovely ass video of how I did it. I mean, it's too much information.
But if others
It's
fail, you
basically
can like learn a lot.
true, yeah. So, and also above this, if you want to see a challenge that did work, CT's challenge, September. It is super detailed to the fucking T, bro. It's too much juice, yeah. Too much juice. Bro, I mean, if he farted, he took a picture of it and documented it here. That's how detailed.
Right, so let me check on that. We're gonna open a long here. $2 long, basically. And go from here. Let's go downtrend. One more trade. One more trade we can take, basically. A short. Because I do feel like it's going bearish. At least like short. Like long term still bullish. No, absolutely terrible trades I'm doing today. Because I'm sleep deprived, so
2 more $100 account challenges and do them at the same time as he's doing this. And he got them both.
Yo, Milo.
He did like 1 million. Yeah.
I will be back. I'm just going to take a bit of a break because
Yeah.
I'm not resting properly. Going to stream later a bit. So I'm making more trades. Was a pleasure, chat. Was a pleasure, Milo. See you soon. I'll be back streaming later.
Shout out Land T.
Thank you guys.
Central Trades.
Thanks for having me on. I know I gotta up my streaming game 8 hours a day, but it's so much stuff I'm doing at the moment. It's just you know, as you know, video editing and stuff like that. So
yeah.
I'm doing
All
also.
right.
Milo, we should do a challenge together. 90 days streaming, every day a stream.
Technically, I am doing this.
Weekends too.
I did start with also streaming weekends, but it's just you need some time to rest. To be honest,
that's like also true. Yeah.
Do you guys see how refreshed I am? Super energetic. It is because I took 2 days off. It's like too much if you stream every single day.
Maybe like 6 times, 5 times. Maybe because I'm very curious to learn everything. I'll be back with some proper price analysis.
Yeah. To be honest, I am super down to do a follow-thon. Not a subathon, a follow-thon. And then every time someone follows, we increase the time. And I would still be streaming the whole time, like actually. And only just go off cam once I'm sleeping. But we will think of it. We will see.
I think this will never end. You'll have like someone create a new account to follow you.
I'll become the biggest followed Twitch channel on stream.
Yeah, someone can just like create a new account. That would be so funny. But yeah, maybe like it could be something that I might do as well actually at some point. It's just that I need my rest as well. See you soon. But
okay, well, shout out Clan T Central Trades, guys. Make sure to give him a follow.
Thank you so much, guys, and shout out to you.
It was nice talking to you, sir.
I'll be back with more than 2-hour streams.
Hello, sir.
Proper ones. Shout out,
we
guys.
Lost him again. Okay. So we got CT.
Guys, that's gonna be it for me today. Cause as you can see, I'm not 100% in it. And if I'm not 100% in it, I wanna like do proper price analysis. I wanna do proper videos. Do I have an open position? No. Okay. You can see if I'm not 100% in it, that's not it. We are up unpaired over here. So once I get some rest, proper rest, food, gym, then I can come back. We made 10 cents here and go from there. I'll keep you guys up.